Good morning, students. Hope all of you are doing well. And today we are going to start linguistic diversity. Well, India has a vast linguistic diversity consisting of the 22 officially recognized languages as given in our constitution. Some are Assamese, Bengali, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Bodo, Maithili, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santhali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, and Urdu. So, the official languages of the Union of India are Hindi and English. Moving forward to geographical diversity. You know, student, there is a great diversity of physical features in India. Certain parts in India, like the regions of Indo-Gangetic Valley, are among the most fertile regions of the world. And from the point of view of climate, there is a sharp contrast. The Himalayan ranges are covered with snow for most of the year and extremely cold, while the deserts of Rajasthan are unbearably hot. Rainfall over the country is not very uniform. Areas like Masinaram get the highest annual rainfall in the world with 467 inches in a year, while some areas of Rajasthan like Shahgarh district Jaisalmer gets less than 1 inch of rain annually. Moving forward to unity in diversity. Well, unity in diversity implies that despite all our differences, we are one. The phrase unity in diversity was given by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Our diversity is a source of our strength. Indians displays a strong sense of unity in diversity. From north to south and from east to west, the people have their own customs and tradition. Respect all religions and cultures. This is a true example of cultural brotherhood. Even unity in diversity is visible in our cricket matches. In international cricket, all the players belonging to different communities and regions play together as an Indian team and represent our country, India. Even today, people from different regions have made valuable contribution in the development of India. We will talk about advantages of diversity in India. It helps us to learn about the variety of rich culture, languages and way of life of others in our vast country, and thus helps us enrich our culture. Also teaches us that there are different ways of doing the same thing. Next is it teaches us to be more tolerant of others. Diversity helps in building a progressive society which is willing to embrace the good features of other societies. Moreover, Indian culture has become richer because it has borrowed a lot from those invaders and conquerors who settled down in India. Jana Gana Mana, the national anthem of India, is the pride of all Indians. It was originally composed in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore. Thus, we can say diversity makes Indian culture unique in the world. Like a rainbow, it adds color to our society. That's all for today. Thank you.